Close your eyes for a moment and think of Christmas. Before you see the lights or taste the food, you hear it. The soft crackle of a fire, the rustle of wrapping paper, the laughter of children, and somewhere in the distance, the bells of a church ringing out into the cold night air. In Alsace and Lorraine, the sounds of Christmas fill the streets long before the big day. You hear the buzz of the Christmas markets, people chatting, the clinking of cups filled with mulled wine, a brass band playing carols near the church square, the gentle hum of voices blending with the scent of cinnamon and pine. Each sound tells you, without words, that Christmas has arrived. Centuries ago, bells were rung to mark the moment of the Nativity. Their joyful peal was said to drive away the darkness of winter and announce the birth of hope. In France, you'll still hear them on Christmas Eve when churches reopen their doors for midnight mass. And then there are the smaller sounds, the gentle ones that make up our own memories. The crunch of fresh snow underfoot, the faint creak of the old attic where decorations are kept, the sigh of someone watching the first candle burn on the Advent wreath. They're sounds that belong as much to the heart as to the ear. So yes, Christmas has its colors and its flavors, but it also has its music of everyday life. A season made not only of carols and choirs, but of tiny moments that whisper, "It's Christmas again." Tomorrow, we'll look at the story of the Christmas tree and how this evergreen traveler from the forests of Alsace found its place in French homes and hearts. And if you would like to learn more about these French Christmas traditions, you'll find them and many more stories in my ebook, The French Chronicles of Christmas, a journey through lights, legends, and the warmth of the season in France.